Nagbabalik na ang kupal sa MPBL, Joel Malupiton debut game sa Binyan. Team captain na, playing coach pa, unang pukol ng tres, nagpasiklab, ayon, tungkab. Isang minuto pa lang tumatakbo, tumungga na agad ng tubig, aray ko. Welcome na welcome si Boss Malupiton sa MPBL. Siyempre di mawawala ang kupal offense and defense, nakatikim agad ng mura ang referee. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video at i-follow ang ating Facebook.
Oh, totoo ka dyan. And when you look at the roster that they have, both these are very deep teams.
And RJ Ramirez. Pamboy, pass inside, kay Bayan off the glass.
Wow, look at that skill.
JC Recto with a strong drive going for
With
Escamis,
right?
tama.
The first season,
That was back when Pinero.
very well on a half-court set. And then you can see the half-court set of CF3.
Stint with USD. Caballero, the spin. Makes the hand off to Malupito. Rabanera against Hoson. Hoson stealing his pocket. Enzo Hoson will lay it up and in.
Well, Enzo also trying to get in there on that dribble with that inside hand. Unang puntos ni Joel Malupiton dito sa MPBL.
Yes, it is! Pinoy sa Uragi approves. Second free throw by Rabanera. Short. Rebound. Under 2 minutes left. Andrews cleared for takeoff. He scores in traffic. Yari. Malupiton for three. No! And it will result into a shot clock violation against Binyan. May pag-agawad pa sa rebound eh. Caballero off the glass and in.
Joel getting his free throw.
Mike Pabula. Damian Lasco. Spins inside. Lasco off the glass and in. Up at 5. Camalinda escaping. KG Canaleta.
Big touch and spray it outside. Matter of fact, they led last season in 3-point attempts. As you see, about yung mga laro kasi kailangan mo yung mga puntos na katulad nito eh. Yung mga malalalim nasa loob ng paint. Dito na, na-atake at titira. Last season, hindi ganun yan si Nicky. Now, you know,
Transition. A dangerous proposition, and that's exactly why Caballero with 8 on their shot clock.
oh my.
Caballero escapes, lays it up and in.
Manood sa 1x Sports ng kahit anong basketball live broadcast gamit ang ating promo code na Notch. I-scan mo lamang ang ating QR code.
Inim na rin ni Coach Boyen yung kanyang lineup here.
Itong mga players ng Binyan.
Cabanera, the pull-up. Enzo Hoson to Bonifacio at the corners. Cabanera, Bonifacio takes it anyway. And Hoson with a running start, no look pass. Ashon Andrews cleared for takeoff.
Running down there.
Malupiton attacks. Asking for a foul.
See this drive. Baseline side. Ilang bunggo yun, hindi niya maiiwan. Ang haba rin naman kasi at tangkat ni Ashonat.
Camalinda. Creating space.
Yeah.
Nice looking jump kick. Cabanera, pupukol sa tres. No good.
Early preseason, talagang kita mo rin yung laban sa laro.
Malupiton, isa pa. Still hits by Mindoro compared to only 2 for Binyan. Camalinda, fade away. Jay gets the friendly bounce. Renzo, bounce pass to Gimpayan. The one-hander will trickle in.
Having viewing, Coach Don.
Recto, pull-up, jumper.
Atan ba bibigyan ng jersey si Boss Atan?
Ba eh,
Kaya pararating natin yung balita dyan sa kaibigan mo si Joel. Alam mo kung sino na kinabang dito sa mga laro natin ngayon? Tingin ko? Yung mall na katabi natin. Dami siguro dyan muna nagkita bago tumuloy.
Boy Aktum catching it. Aktum takes off. Finger roll won't work.
Talaga yung take-off dito ni Boy Aktu.
Tolentino will scoop it up. Pretty much a wire-to-wire victory para